Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. Electric tractors are all the rage nowadays, and the RiiRoo SV1 electric ride-on tractor is sure to excite. The massive rear wheels make this a perfect product for the garden, and to get them involved in some garden work. It's suitable for children of up to 9 years of age or up to 133 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 gigahertz parental remote control, functioning horn, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. The off-road wheel design gives the car more grip on uneven surfaces such as grass or dirt. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.